Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from eXp Realty, and I am thrilled to introduce you to 514524 Second Line in Amaranth. Amaranth is a wonderful township just north and west of Orangeville, and it's an easy commute to just about anywhere. Yet it affords you an amazing lifestyle. I actually choose Amaranth for my own home, and if I didn't already own my own personal dream home, this video wouldn't be happening. I would have bought this house personally. This incredible 5-bedroom, 2-kitchen, 5-bathroom home is just an amazing opportunity for a large family, or especially a multi-generational family that wants to have 2 families living in the home at the same time and still not get in each other's way. You'll see in this video that it's got a walkout basement, the bonus of a 3-car attached garage with lots of extra space, and a detached 2-car garage with an incredible loft that we'll show you just a little bit later in this video. And it's got 7 acres of beautiful lush grass and surrounding property with an incredible in-ground pool and a super cool feature of an athletic pad. Let's take a peek inside. Immediately upon entering the oversized doors at the entranceway and looking up at the vaulted ceilings and looking through this open concept home that's actually 3 years old, you would think it's a brand new home. This home is luxurious and gorgeous in every single way. As you can see, we've got a beautiful kitchen, huge island with gorgeous quartz countertops, a massive big sink, high-end appliances, and a gorgeous open concept with windows everywhere, allowing the incredible nature of being outside, inside. Who could create artistry any better than that? Open to the kitchen area is a beautiful dining room area. Again, oversized big glass doors that open up onto a lovely deck area with the glass railing, just making sure that you don't have any obstacles stopping you from seeing the nature that's just beyond the glass. The pool area is also beautiful that we'll see shortly. And open to the dining room is a lovely family room area with a custom built fireplace and TV area and gorgeous floating shelves. I could go on and on and on. Just beyond this room is a double door that opens up into a beautiful office area situated near the front door, which is perfect for a home office. There's also a 2-piece bathroom. And on the other half of this floor is the primary suite. And suite could be spelled either way. It's so incredible. You can see a large actual bedroom area with, again, huge windows with natural light just flooding in during the day. The beautiful hardwood flooring goes right through into the bedroom area. It's got a massive walk-in closet that's the size of bedrooms in most homes, an incredible 5-piece ensuite bathroom that is absolutely spa-like, and beyond that room is another great little area which, if you were coming in from the home inside the 3-car garage, there's a great little mudroom that's absolutely beautiful. Should be on Pinterest. Let's take a peek upstairs. Although this house is 3,371 square feet, with the large door openings and the windows and everything else, it just seems even larger. And that square footage doesn't even include the basement. We are upstairs now, and as you can see, windows everywhere, closets everywhere. There's so much storage space in this home. This floor features 3 very good sized bedrooms. The first bedroom as you come up the stairs, again, is a good sized room with a nice walk-in closet and its own personal ensuite bathroom. A little bit further down the hall is bedroom number 2 for the upstairs. which features again a good sized room, beautiful hardwood floors, as are all the bedrooms on this floor, with 2 great windows and a good sized closet. This bedroom actually has a Jack and Jill shared ensuite with bedroom number 3 upstairs, which again has a great window, a super good sized closet, and a generous sized room, perfect for anyone. Let's take a look at the basement and the second kitchen area that's downstairs. The basement or lower level of this home sure does not feel like a basement at all. As you can see, the custom kitchen also has incredible views as you are washing dishes, and it's open concept to the incredible living room area, which again has a beautiful walkout door to a gorgeous patio. The electric fireplace and stunning hardwood floors just really set the tone for what a beautiful unit this is. And the basement bedroom makes the 5th bedroom in this home, which again is a spacious, good sized room with a walk-in closet and an incredible above grade window that makes you feel like you're on the main floor. There's also a separate entrance to this apartment, so you can enter it from the house above, or you can have your own specified space. This apartment was actually put in about 1.5 years ago, right before the shop was built. Let's take a peek there. Here we are in the detached shop. This shop would be an absolute dream for any woodworking or automotive enthusiast, and you can do just about anything in this space. It is a 2-car garage with 2 good-sized bays, but as you can see, between those bays, there's also a lot going on. We've got an incredible man cave in the middle, and the shop is built with amazing construction by Pullen Construction, which is a great local contractor that has a fantastic reputation. They're also the contractors that did the basement work as well. The shop is fully heated with in-floor heating, and it's got the bonus of another level above, which is a fantastic area for storage or use your imagination. I am drawn to the pool area, so let's finish our chat there. Needless to say, with a gorgeous pool, 7 acres of land, a sports pad, 5 garages in total, including the secondary garage space, and a home that is absolutely to die for, this is an incredible property. If this property is something that would just change your current lifestyle to something that would be an absolute dream, then please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.